Hi there, in this video we're going to do sample tongue and groove joints 3 different ways. Using a plane, at the table saw, and a router table. So I thought we'd start first using a match plane or a tongue and groove plane right here at the vise. So coming up first is the tongue. There is the tongue. Am I red in the face yet? Usually I do this a little more leisurely. Just going to mark this as the fence side. And we'll do this as the fence side too. Okay, now the groove. Pull the pin, swing the fence. This is going to cover up one side of the blade. And now we'll do the groove. Little chamfer on there. And there we have tongue and groove joint by hand. Okay, to the table saw. On the table saw, we're going to do the groove first. And then cut the tongue based on those dimensions. That was Tongue and Groove 3 Ways. Please like, subscribe, and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think. Is there a way that we didn't do this that you like better? Thanks for watching. Have a good day.